Sandosham. Myself Rajan. I am working as a head HR in a private organization. I have taken a Diksha from one of my guru, Mr. Paranjyothi Govindaraju from Polichulu. I have taken this meditation. I have taken this Diksha in the year 2008. Since then, I am doing the meditation. Our meditation is called Third Eye Meditation. Just now today, I am briefing about meditation and I am expecting some questions from the audience. Please.
Okay. Sir, very good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What do you mean by meditation actually? Because I am the person who is first time in this stage, first time in this scenario. I just want to know what is meant by meditation, why we should do meditations, kind of things.
See, meditation is a practice that involves focusing your mind and body to achieve a state of calm and heightened awareness. This is for the meditation.
Why meditation is important?
See, people are asking me so many times, why you want to go for meditation and all. See, meditation, why you want to do meditation? Meditation is reducing stress and anxiety, improving emotional awareness, increasing kindness and compassion, teaching to less reactive in different and difficult situation, helping to adapt to challenges such as quitting tobacco or any other bad habits. For this reason only people are now doing meditation.
Okay, thank you, sir. And meditation is okay. Is there any type of meditation, like how to do the meditation and what type of meditation is there in this society?
See, there are so many meditations. Now, breathing meditation is there, concentrative meditation is there, mantra meditation is there, object focus meditation is there, Kundalini meditation is there, third eye meditation is there. Our meditation is third eye meditation.
Third eye meditation in the sense, what is third eye meditation? I hear the new word, third eye.
Third eye meditation is a practice that revolves focusing on third eye located between two eyebrows to open Ajna chakra and deepen spiritual connection. Third eye, it is located in between the eyebrows. This is for third eye.
Is it safe to meditate on third eye without initiation?
Yeah, it is generally considered safe to meditate on third eye without any formal initiation. However, it is important to proactive with mindful and gradual approach and seek guidance from experienced guru to way forward to deepen the practice.
Okay, sir. Thank you. And one more question from my side. How to activate third eye? Which means, is there any protocol to follow, or is there any process to follow with procedures? I'm just asking that the same way.
Yeah. See, actually, third eye will be activated sometime. Automatically it may be activated. But as per the third eye meditation concept, experienced guru only will initiate to open the third eye.
Okay. Then how do we know if third eye opens or what? Which means how do I feel that? If there is any specific stage or specific body stages or something?
See, every person's body is unique, as is the experience of opening the third eye, and it will be different from person to person. Opening our third eye will benefit our mind and spirit.
Okay. What happens when we meditate on our third eye? What will happen actually on the day?
Yeah, third eye meditation is also known as Ajna chakra, essentially focusing on developing a deeper connection to our initiatives, inner wisdom, and heightened awareness of our surroundings, potentially leading to increased clarity of thoughts, reduced anxiety, and stronger sense of inner peace.
Okay, sir. Thank you for your answer. Then, moreover, can you please elaborate on key aspects of third eye meditation or any kind of meditation?
Yeah, it is enhancing our intuition. By focusing on this area, we can tap into our subconscious and gain a stronger sense of knowing or gut feeling about a situation. Then we can get a mental clarity. Then we'll have a spiritual awareness, emotional balancing by accessing deeper insights about our emotions. This practice can help to manage stress and anxiety more effectively. It is a kind of gradual process. Proper technique, it's important to learn the connect technique to avoid strain and discomfort in the third eye.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Sandosham.